I mean, on the technology side, all the vendors are willing to, a lot of the vendors are willing to pay for the training as well. So, um, and we got to take it. I mean, we got to take advantage of that as employees, as employers as well. Tap into that. And I tell you, the hardest part, at the many companies that I've been at, we would have budget for training, is spending that budget. It wasn't getting the budget for training, it's spending it. Um, Getting people willing to take the training and advance their careers. It's kind of crazy. So I think it takes two to tango. And my advice is don't get caught into this nonsensical loop. It's like, well, if I'm going to take training, is it on paid time or not? Man, do it on your own time. This is for your own benefit. I mean, this is stuff that's between, in your brain that you're going to keep forever, right? And if that's a point of contention, then you're solving for the wrong problem. You're being too narrow minded. Just go ahead, take advantage of it, and grow as a professional. So
And even the on-demand training, I've been saying for years, like anyone that spends time at the gym or goes out running or biking, I listened to 45 minutes of a LinkedIn Learning course while I was out walking this morning. Like people that commute, people that travel a lot, there's so much downtime where you can squeeze this stuff in if you just have the willingness to do all of this. And I think
curiosity.
I think that's part of the reason why AWS and the Google Career Certificates, all this stuff has been wildly popular and will continue to be increasingly popular because it takes away a huge barrier and the cost and the time.
Yeah. No, you're absolutely right. And this is kind of what I said is if you hire for attitude, you train for skills. And part of the attitude is that curiosity, that desire to learn, that desire to advance, that ambition, right? I mean, you got to look for these things in people you hire. And then if you have those employees in your ranks, man, fuel that fire, encourage them to learn more, encourage them to develop their skills.